Hi, friends. It's Miss Hudson, and it is time for our math lesson. Today, we will continue to count through teen numbers up to the number 40. We're going to do that counting by ones, okay? And the only thing that you'll need will be your listening ears, your laser focused eyes, and you guys, I want you to help me count, okay? There will be times throughout this video that I will ask you to pause and for you to do some counting on your own. So I want you guys to remember that pause, count on your own, and then come back and we'll do it together. Capiche? Capuche. All right, guys. So for this activity, we're just going to count each number by ones, and then we're going to write the number below where there is a box, okay? So you guys are just following along with me. Our goal here is for you guys to get more practice with counting, okay? So I want you guys to continue to count with me. All right, so when I look at this first box, we know we've been talking about this 10 frame for a while now. So we know we don't even have to count this. We know that this is already 10 because this is a 10 frame and it is all filled up. So we know that that is the number 10. Now we can count on when we come to this box over here, and I'm going to circle this one so you know where we are counting, okay? So we're counting the red box. So we know this is 10. We're counting on from 10, all right? So here we go. So this is 10. Now we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have the number 17, and the number 17 is already written for us right there. All right? So let's move on to the next one, okay? Now remember what I told you guys, that this box is the number 10. We don't have to count that. We know that this is a 10 frame and it is already filled in. So we can count on from that number, and we're going to count the red box. Capiche? Capuche. You guys count with me. So that's 10. Now we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we can write the number 18 right here. You guys can just follow along. You don't have to write a number. All right. So now for this one, I want you guys to count it. So come close to the computer screen or the TV screen or your tablet, whatever you have, the phone, and I want you to count this number, okay? Push pause and give yourself time to count. All right, I am hoping that you took a moment to pause and count. Remember, guys, this is, oh, wrong color. This is our 10 frame here. And we can just count on from 10, okay? All right. Now we have to count this box. All right, here we go. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I can write that number right here. Now, guys, what have you noticed about each number as we're counting the 10 frames? Well, what I've noticed is that our number is increasing every time, okay? So we had 17, then we had 18, that's 19, and I want you to take a guess of what number this will be. What do you think? All right, let's see if you are correct, all right? Remember, this is our 10 frame. We don't have to count this one. We can count on from 10, all right? Here we go. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my gosh. Did you guess 20? Great job, Kipsters. So this is the number 20. And something else that I noticed here is that this is two complete 10 frames. This one that we circled here is a complete 10 frame, and so is this one over here. So when we see two complete 10 frames, we know that that is the number 20, and we can count on from the number 20. Okay, so let's take a look over here. And I'm going to go back to my other color. When I look at this, I see that this is a 10 frame, so that's 10. Here's another 10 frame. That's 20. And then we can count on from that number, okay? So we have 10, 20, 21. And the number 21 is already there for us. All right. So guys, I want you guys to try to count this one all on your own, okay? So get close to the computer screen or whatever device you're using, and I want you to count the total number of dots here. All right, I am hoping that you counted each one. Something that I want to remind you guys of is that we have 2 boxes of 10 frames. So that's 1 and that's 2. That's 2 10s or 20. All right, so we can count on from 20. So we have 20, 21, 22. And then we can write that number in the box below. All right, great job warming up, guys. We're going to keep it going, okay? So for this one, we're going to help the cow get to the grass, okay? And we're just writing in the numbers as we go along. And I want you guys to help me figure it out, okay? So if we start at the number 26, what do you think the next number will be? Did you say 27? You are correct. We count, we say 26, 27, and what comes next? 28. Great job. After 28 comes what number? 29. Great job, friends. After 29, keep it going. We say 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Great job. Keep it going. 30, 31. Good. And 30. And 32. All right. Great job. Now let's help the kitten get to his yarn. All right. We're starting with the number 31. So we say 31, 32. What number comes next? 33. Great job. And 30, 34. Then we have 35 and 36 is already filled in for us, so we don't have to count that number, but we can keep it going. 35, 36, and 37. Keep going. The cat is almost there. 38. Next we have 39, and what's our last number? 40. Great job, friends. You helped the kitten get all the way to his yarn. All right, guys, so now we're going to count down by ones, okay? So if we start at number 11 and we're counting down, the numbers are getting smaller. We have 11, 10. The next smallest number would be the number 9, all right? Over here, we're starting with 21. What's one less or one smaller than 21? 20. 20, one less is 19. All right. Now if we come over here, we have 31. 31 and one less is 30. All right. Great job counting, you guys. What great mathematicians you are. All right, so we're going to move on to our exit ticket. And for our exit ticket, we are going to touch and count carefully. Well, you guys can get close to the screen and you can touch, and then we're going to cross out the mistake and write in the correct number. Okay? And here we go. All right. Pay close attention. I don't want you to get tricked up. Here we go. This is the number 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And what number comes next? Oh no, not 29, but 26. Great job. They can't trick you. You guys are too smart. All right, moving on. We have 30. All right, let's count up. 31, 32, 33, 34. Are you touching? That's not 34. We have to put an X on that. Oh, they almost tricked Miss Hudson. All right. that number should not be 43, but it should be 34. All right, moving on. 35, 36. All right. All right, this little guy here is riding his bike. Let's help him out. All right. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29. Oh no, not 29. We have to scratch that off. We should have there the number 30. All right, and then 31. All right, guys, take a look at this school bus. Let's help him out. All right, I want you guys to take a moment and count, and then I want you to find the mistake, okay? When you find the mistake, I want you to press play, and then we'll find it together, okay? G-O, go. All right, I am hoping that you have taken the time to count and find the mistake. Let's count together. We started with 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 44. 44? Oh no, that's not correct. That should be the number. What should it be, guys? The number 40. Great job. So today our goal was to count on from teen numbers all the way up to number 40 using ones. And you guys were able to do that with me. We helped some kittens get to the yarn. We helped the cow get to the grass. And we did that by counting on from the given number, all right? So, as I always tell you guys, count things around your house, count your food, count the number of beans, count the number of stairs, count things all around you. Take pictures and send them to your teachers. Great job learning today. See you next time.